This is the Autobot portable car vacuum that turns into a household vacuum cleaner. This is from the carpet in 2 minutes. Okay, so we just took out a carpet. It's been lying for, I don't know, maybe a year and a half. So we're going to take this vacuum cleaner and see how it fares on the carpet. This is the Autobot 16,000 PA suction portable car vacuum that turns into an entire household vacuum cleaner because it's got all those attachments. Very cool. It's got a filter that you just wash off. It's got this little button that you press. Let me see here. That opens the canister. See that? Like that. And you just dump the garbage. So yeah, pretty neat. And it's got 2 modes and it's pretty quiet. So let's go in the highest mode and see how much we can suck up. So you can see how it's already sucking things up. And it's completely empty. It's actually so easy to maneuver the handle. Let's see what we got in 2 minutes. Holy moly. So we don't want to open this. We're just going to take this part off. Okay. And we're going to see how much gunk we got. So if you guys can see all that. Now there's a way to open it, but I'm holding it with one hand. So just going to take this thing off here. Looks like a coffee grinder. So you can get 20 minutes out of the first mode, which is 7,000 PA. And then on the strong mode, which is 16,000, you get about 10 minutes. And this is a USB-C charging port, so you can charge it with a car or a power bank. Anyways, look at this. Pop this open. And the cool thing is it stays open. But if you get this much dust, you have to take this filter out. So we basically just open this up and look at all this gunk. This is from the carpet in 2 minutes. And then this you just wash with cold water, let it dry, put it in.
What happened? Wait.
Oh my god, you fucking stopped it. When did
I
it
didn't.
stop? And then when you're done, you just place it on the base and boom, it just keeps charging. Very good. So that's the Autobot. Anyways, this is really good for cushions and fabrics as well. It really sucks it. See how much it sucks it. It's actually built for cars. Look at that. It already sucked up a bunch of dirt from this cushion. Crazy.